One thing I know I was nervous about with my GoPro Hero 10 was removing the actual side door for using Media Mod in order to get better audio with it. I was scared that I would break the door. Well, I'm here to tell you, you won't break the door, and it's not actually as tricky as you might think to remove the door. Hello, I'm Wander001, and this is a quick hit of just how to remove your GoPro Hero 10 door. Start by opening your door, and then a lot of people talk about pushing it all the way up and using that to pop it off. That's probably why you're scared to pull it off, because that's what I was doing and feeling, and there's a lot of pressure kind of telling you, hey, don't do this. What you simply do is bring it to a parallel with the top of the camera and then twist back. That's all it is. Twist back this way and it will come off. You'll notice then this is the bracket for how it actually connects to the bar right here. And when you're done and want to put it back on, you simply line things up again, press into place, and it's back on. That's simple. So that was how to take off your door for your GoPro Hero 10. Again, open door, bring up to a parallel position, twist back towards you. That's it, as simple as that. Hopefully that helped you out. Thanks for watching.
If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like, as that will help other people find the video as well. If you like what I'm doing here, you can always help fuel the next review by buying me a coffee, link in the description below. Last but not least, if you want to be notified when I upload a new video, you know what to do.